again. I'm going today to teach you how could we use the regular verbs. The present verb, the regular one. هلا بالpresent verbs بالverbs في regular وفي irregular. نحن all the irregular verbs we collect all of them and we make it in like we call it Yalla Arabee verbs. So Yalla Arabee verbs, which is the irregular verbs, we're gonna talk about it later. So today we are here to talk about the regular verbs in the present tense. Firstly, most of the verbs, it's just 3 letters. Most of them, not all, most of them. So we should know the root of the verb. For example, to do or to make. عمل 3 letters. عمل عمل عمل. So the root in Arabic, he in the past. يعني he did or he made عمل. تمام؟ عمل. So we take this one عمل and we put it here with the personal pronoun, and now we add the imprefix or the suffix or maybe both. Let's try. أنا بعمل. You see we have the root already. أنا بعمل. أنت بتعمل. For you, أنت, أنتي, أنتو, always the imprefix in the present ta. How could we recognize between them? You male, you female, you plural. You male بتعمل. You female أنتي بتعملي. أنتو بتعملوا. Bravo. So you see أنا بعمل, أنت بتعمل, أنتي بتعملي, أنتو بتعملوا. نحن بنعمل. هو بيعمل, he does or he makes. هو بيعمل, he, she بتعمل. هني بيعملوا. So بيعمل. So for you female, you plural, and they, you have imprefix and suffix. يعني you add something بالأول وبالأخير. First وبالend. بالbeginning وبالend. So أنا بعمل, أنت بتعمل, أنتي بتعملي, أنتو بتعملوا, نحن بنعمل, هو بيعمل, هي بتعمل, هني بيعمل. أنا بعمل, let's say قهوة. أنا بعمل قهوة. I make coffee every morning. مثلا أنا بعمل قهوة كل صبح. تمام؟ So أنت بتعمل مثلا ترويقة. breakfast. أنت بتعمل ترويقة. تمام؟ So you can add anything. Let's try another verb now and see how it goes. So let's just delete the root of the verb and keep the imprefix and suffix to see it's the same. How could we know it? We learn it by heart in the first, and then it's gonna be automatically in your brain when you know we do نعمل, they make بيعملوا. So شوي. Okay, so let's take to drink. شرب يعني he drank, شرب. So this is the root of the verb. And أنا بشرب. Now we have the suffix and the prefix and we just add the root. أنت بتشرب. أنتي برافو تشربي. أنتو شربت أو أنتو بتشربوا. برافو. أنتو بتشربوا. نحن بنشرب. تشرب هو، بيشرب هي، تشرب هن بيشربوا. I don't know if any of you guys recognize for you male و she it's the same in Arabic. يعني انت بتعمل هي بتعمل، انت بتشرب هي بتشرب، انت بتروح go هي بتروح. Okay, so it's the same for you male and she بالعربي. So this is the grammar of the present verb. Okay, it's not that hard. You just learn it شوي شوي شوي. Usually I just give I, you, we for the students. I don't give them the third person which is he, she, they. Just to don't mix them. So in the first you can just learn أنا, أنت, نحن. When you make sure كل شيء تمام and بتعرف you know now how could you use it and you know automatically, not just think too much before to say it. Then you move to هو, هي, هن. Okay? And already for he, it's the same for you male. So almost يعني not that hard. So this is the present verb. I will give you now 2 roots of verb and you're gonna leave it in the comments. Please just to encourage me. Ya Samer, continue this project. So just leave in the comments the homework, let's say. So I will give you now بعرف. So را if تمام to know عرف he knew as we said the root in the Arabic it's he in the past. So عرف and then you add the. So I'm going to give you just one verb today and then just please leave it in the comments. If there is mistake, I'm sure you're not gonna make mistake. I'm going to correct you. Don't hesitate. This is, if you make mistake, this is how we learn, okay? Don't be shy, okay? Because now the people are be embarrassing, people are gonna make fun of me. No, no, no. This is how we learn. We all make mistakes, it's okay, don't worry, okay? Samer من Yalla Arabee team. So I'm going to see you the part 2 of present verb next session. بحبكم كتير.